Good morning, students. This is 10th standard biology video class, video 4. In this video, we are going to continue the same unit, that is structural organization of animals. Dear students, the previous video class we have seen circulatory system of leech, nervous system, excretory system, and male reproductive system in leech. In this video, we are going to see the next topic, that is female reproductive system of leech. Dear students, this is the female reproductive system of leech. Consists of three parts: pair of ovaries, oviducts, and vagina. Single pair of ovary which is present in the 11th segment of the body and which lies on the ventral side of the body surface. The shape of the ovary is coiled ribbon shape. From this ovary only the egg or ova which is comes outside, that is budded off. Each ovary leads into a small tubular structure is called oviduct. This oviduct which is present on either side of the ovary. So both the oviducts are joined together to form a common oviduct. So this common oviduct opens into a region is called vagina, which is spear-shaped. This vagina, which is located in the mid-ventral region of the leech, that is posterior part of the 11th segments. Dear students, in the previous video class, we have seen male reproductive organ, which is located in the 10th segments, and the female genital opening which is present in the 11th segments. That's why they given that one, the ovaries, oviduct, and vagina which is located in the mid-ventral portion of posterior side of the 11th segments of the leech body. Dear students, this is the female reproductive system of leech. See the pear-shaped vagina which is present at the ventral side of the posterior region of 11th segments. At the side of the vagina, they are having the pair of ovaries. The ovary which leads into a smaller cavity that is called oviduct. These oviducts are joined together to form a common oviduct. From that common oviduct only, they are having the vagina. So this vagina, which is located in the ventral region of the posterior part of the 11th segment. So this is said to be the female reproductive system of leech. Dear students, this is the reproductive system of leech diagram which contains both the sex organs, that is male sex organ and the female sex organ. Male sex organ which constitute atrium, epididymis, and testis sac and vas deferens. Likewise, the female reproductive organ contains ovary and vagina. So both the sex organ which is present in the same animal body, so that this type of condition is called, or animals are named as hermaphrodite animals. Hermaphrodite animals means both the sex organs are present in the same animal body. Dear students, this is the another diagram which are showing reproductive system of leech, that is Iridinaria granulosa is the binomial name of, the zoological name of leech. So first one is the genital atrium. So genital atrium is the reproductive system of male sex organ. Then second one is the epididymis, that is, this is the sperm vesicle which contains, what is that one? Spermatozoa or sperm. The third one is said to be the ovisac, that means oviduct. The oviduct which leads into a region is called a vagina, that is number 4. The next one, different pairs of testes which is present in 12th segment to 22nd segments. So fifth one is the different pair of testes, 11 pair of testes which is present in the male reproductive system from the segments of 12th segments to 22nd segments. So see, count the segments of your testes. 11 pair is there, 3, 6, 9, 10 and 11. So 11 pair, both the sides they are having 11 pairs of testes which is located from the segment of 12th segments to 22nd segments. Next one is the vas deferens which is arises from the testes. It is in the form of convoluted shape. That is said to be vas deferens. Then seventh one is said to be the nephridium. So nephridium is the excretory organ which is present from the 6th segments to 22nd segments. How many pairs of nephridia which is present in the leech means 17 pairs of nephridia which is present in the leech region. So this is said to be a reproductive system of leech. Dear students, next we are going to see the development of the leech body. That means how fertilization which is taken place inside the leech body and produce the next progeny or generation. In this leech body, the fertilization is taken place inner side of the body, that is said to be internal fertilization. After this, they are producing the separate formation is called a cocoon formation. That means it is named as egg case. A cocoon which contains egg, that's why it is named as egg case. This egg case is formed around the segments of 9, 10 and 11th segments. So the development of the embryo is directly taken place in the cocoon case. They are produced in the cocoon case or a egg case. 1 to 24 embryos are produced in the or located in the cocoon or egg case. The young leech which are resembling the adult one. That is said to be fertilization or development of a leech. So internal fertilization is taken place. It produces a special case is called cocoon or egg case in the segments of 9th, 10th and 11th segments. After the direct development, the cocoon which contains 1 to 24 embryos. The young embryos developed into a new leech. The young leech which are resembling the adult leech. That is said to be development of the leech. Dear students, up to this we have seen circulatory system, respiratory system, nervous system, excretory system, two reproductive system, that is male reproductive system and female reproductive system. Next we are going to see the important 7-mark question is parasitic adaptation of leech. In the previous video class we have seen leech is an parasitic animal. That means which lives on the other animal body and sucking the blood from the body of other animal. So this leech which are showing certain adaptive character to suck the blood from the other body of an animal. First one, the blood is sucked by a pharynx. So because on the lateral side of the pharynx only we are having the paired salivary glands. So this salivary glands only sucking the blood from the other animal body. So this is the first adaptive character. Second one, with the help of both the suckers, anterior sucker and posterior sucker, the leech which is attached to the body of the other animal or host animal. Then the leech which contains the 3 jaws. The 3 jaws which are having single row of teeth. With the help of these jaws and teeth, they have produced the Y-shaped wound in the skin of the other animal. And also, the host animal does not know the pain of the leech biting or a wound caused by the leech. Then, the salivary glands which is present in the lateral side of the pharynx, which secrete a chemical substance is called hirudin. So this hirudin only does not allow the blood to coagulate. So thus the continuous supply of blood is taken place in the host animal body. Then the leech body does not contain any parapodia or setae. Parapodia and setae are the locomotory organs which is present in some other animals, but these two are absent in the leech. Instead of that, the leech which contains anterior and posterior suckers for locomotion as well as the attachment. Then the blood which is stored in the region is called a crop. This crop which are giving nourishment to the leech for several months. So due to this reason only, the blood which is sucked by a pharynx is not digested immediately. It will take some more time to digest the blood or a food material with the help of digestive juices and their enzymes. Not only that, due to the storage of blood in the crop, there is no elaborate secretion of digestive enzymes and juices are not present inside the leech body. That means digestive juices and enzymes are not secreted in a proper way in the leech body. Why it's not secreted inside the leech body means the crop which are storing the food for several months, and also it nourishes the leech for several months. That's why they don't have any kinds of digestive juices and enzymes. So this is said to be the different parasitic adaptations of leech. Dear students, that question is the very important 7-mark question. Kindly note it down in your textbook. The question is, write the parasitic adaptation of leech. Dear students, up to this, the life cycle of leech is over. Next, we are going to see the life cycle of rabbit. The binomial of rabbit is Oryctolagus cuniculus. So before going to study the structure and function of rabbit, we are going to see some more do you know paragraph answers. Dear students, medicinal value of leech. Leech are very effective in increasing the blood circulation and also it breaking the blood clotting. It's very much helpful for the circulation of your blood and also it breaking the blood clotting. So that this leech is used in the treatment of cardiovascular diseases. That is heart problem or heart diseases. Then some of the biochemical substance also derived from the saliva of the leech is used to prepare for the paramedical drugs. Those drugs are used to treat for hypertension. High BP ki treatment kodukkude medicines or drugs which are prepared from the saliva of the leech, and also these leeches are used to treat cardiovascular diseases. They are very much useful in the blood circulation and also breaking the blood clotting. So these are all the medicinal value of leech. Another one, a new technique is called a bloodletting technique. The patient having the bleeding, that is the blood which comes out of the body. So this bloodletting technique used to remove the toxic substance or a toxic impurities, விஷத்தன்மை அப்படி சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, that should be removed from the body by the technique is called a bloodletting. It is a modern technique used to remove the toxic substance or impurities which is present in the blood. So that condition is called a bloodletting technique. Dear students, up to this, I conclude my video. I hope have you all understood reproductive system of leech, parasitic adaptation of leech, how excretory system is working in the leech, then nervous system of a leech. Dear students, remaining we will see in the next video class, that is external morphology of rabbit. All the best. God bless you children.